was doing just fine before I met you. I drank too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Anna and I am very excited that you stopped by. On today's video, guys, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be creating a look with the new Hola Chola collection from Becky G times Colourpop. And I didn't get the whole entire collection. I just got the palette and one of the lip bundles because the other two lip bundles I kind of already have similar shades and I just didn't want to just stick to that one shade all the time. So I got the one that's the nudist out of all of the three, out of all three lip bundles. The only thing I did forget was the rolling lip gloss. I don't know how I could have missed it, but it's okay. Once it comes back on sale, I will definitely buy it because I feel like that was the whole point of, you know, that was like the throwback of the collection. So instead of talking so much, we're gonna get right into this video. So if you are interested in knowing how this collection is, if it's good or if it's bad, or what my thoughts are and the whole packaging, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the packaging of the palette. It's just a little cardboard box and it says Hola Chola with the cherries on the side. It of course has some black bandana print on the side and it also has it in the inside, as you guys can tell right here. It also comes with all the names of the shadows and of course it comes with the Becky G times Colourpop letter in the back of the palette. So that is the packaging. The next thing will be the palette right here, and it looks exactly like the little cardboard box. It has the black bandana print right here, and as well as the rest of the names at the back of the palette. So keep in mind that I've already used this palette. I had already recorded a video on a certain look and I just, when I was about to apply my lashes, I found out that my camera was not recording. So I don't even want to talk about it because I was very upset, but it's been 2 days since that and we are hoping we achieve it to have this look and this makeup up before the new year, because I can't start the new year without having to post this video. So I'm going to show you guys. This is what the palette looks like in the inside. I really like this palette because it's like more of an everyday glam kind of palette. It doesn't have those like intense colors. It has more of like the neutrals, which I really love. So this is what it looks like. It is really beautiful, guys. And the second item I purchased is the Muñeca lip bundle. This is what the box looks like. It also comes with the black bandana print on the sides, and in the back it comes with the name of the lip bundle and the items that are inside the box. And of course you can't miss the cherries. Like I told you guys, this is the nude color from the collection. Like I said, the other two were more like of a burgundy kind of tone, and I already have a lot of burgundies in my collection, so I wanted to go with a color that I didn't really use as much. So here is the lip pencil, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has the Becky G times Colourpop low print on it, and this is the shade. And then of course you have your matte lipstick right here with the bandana print on the top, and it has the name of the collection, and it also has the Becky G times Colourpop writing on it as well. So those are the items that I purchased from the collection, and now we are going to go straight into the makeup look. Okay guys, so I've already primed my eyelids, and I'm just going back in with the sponge because there was a little bit of creasing on there. Okay, so I'm going to be taking Little B from the palette, which is this one right here, and I'm using a Little B as my transition shade, and we're just gonna apply that a little over the crease. Okay guys, so today we're going in with a very simple look. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up Ruka from the palette. So I'm going back into Little B, and I'm just going to apply it on the top of that shadow just to blend it out a little more. Just so it doesn't look too harsh. I'm going in with a Shy Girl. Like I told you guys, I want to do something very, very simple. And I'm going to apply Shy Girl all over my eyelid. Okay guys, so I've already gone ahead and applied the white on just half of my eyelid. This is what the look looks like. I'm going to go off camera and apply some lashes, and we'll be back so we can apply the lipstick together. Okay guys, so now I am back, and we are going in with the Muñeca lip bundle from Becky G times Colourpop. And to be honest, I don't know how I feel about the color just yet. I've used it a couple of times and I kind of like it, but I'm kind of still not very used to it because I'm more of a like darker lip color type of person, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to go ahead and align my lips and apply the lipstick. Okay guys, well, this is the final look. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can take a moment to look at this. My thoughts on this collection is I completely love the shadows and how neutral they are, because they could be used for an everyday look. I also love the lip bundle just because it takes me out of my comfort zone. To a lot of people, a lot of people might not like it just because that's not what they're used to. But like I said, I wanted to get a little bit out of my comfort zone because I always wear dark lipstick, and I feel like I need to take myself away from that. I think the other only nude that I own is from Colourpop. It's actually from the I Love Sarai collection. So I mean, I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone as much as I can, because it's not always, you know, it's not always the way it's always good to try new things. So I don't have anything bad to say about the collection. I actually really love it. The shadows don't have any type of fallout, which is not a bad thing. Even if they did, it just requires a little bit more of a careful application. I would obviously, if the eyeshadows would have been a little bit powdery, then I would have probably not done my foundation first. I would have probably done my eyeshadow and then my foundation, just so I don't have to brush off any of that excess powder. But I love the palette. It works amazing. It blends really good. There's no patching at all. Like I said, I've already used this palette a couple of times, so I can say that I really like it. I haven't used every single shadow in the palette, but the ones I have used, I have loved. I have nothing bad to say about the palette. I will actually be this will be one of the palettes that I will be reaching out to the most, just because it's more of an everyday look type of palette, rather than the Beauty Creations one that I showed you guys in my previous video, since the purples and pinks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to create a whole different look, a more glamorous look with this palette, please let me know in the comments down below. I would be more than glad to create more looks with this palette. I feel like this is more of a, you know, everyday type of look, but I mean, it looks, you can use it at any time, anywhere. I feel like neutrals are just really good and they go with everything. So with that being said, if you're interested in different looks with this palette, just let me know in the comments down below. Hey guys, well, without further to say, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave me some little comments down below letting me know if you purchased the collection. What items did you get from the collection? Did you guys get the whole entire collection? Do you like it? What are your thoughts on this new Becky G times Colourpop collection? Also, I hope this video is up before New Year's, and if it's not, I just want to wish you guys a very happy New Year. I hope that you all are setting very good goals for 2020, because your girl has some 2020 goals that she is definitely trying to reach. But go ahead and leave those goals down below as well, because you know, whatever you put out in the universe sometimes comes true. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video.